In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove skin imperfections in Luminar 4. If you're working with portraits or headshots and want a fast, natural cleanup, this method uses Luminar's built-in intelligence to smooth skin while keeping lifelike detail. Start by opening your portrait in Luminar 4 and heading over to the Edit panel. You'll be working in the Portrait section. Depending on your version or workspace, this area might be labeled Portrait Enhancer or AI Skin Enhancer. The tool you want is called Skin AI or AI Skin Enhancer. It's designed to detect skin automatically, understand where texture should be softened, and preserve important details like pores, eyelashes, and edges so your subject doesn't end up looking plastic or blurred. Once you've found it, begin with the amount slider. Think of this as the overall strength control. Slide it up gradually until the skin looks smoother and more even, but not so far that it erases natural texture. A gentle touch usually looks more realistic, especially in high-resolution portraits. You should see acne, moles, and uneven patches soften while the face retains shape and dimension. Next, turn on Skin Defects Removal, sometimes shown as a simple checkbox. This tells Luminar to actively search for small blemishes, acne, and other distractions and reduce or remove them automatically. The benefit here is speed and consistency. You get a clean, flattering result without spending time on manual spot retouching. If you notice that certain features lose too much definition, common areas are the eyes, lips, eyebrows, or the hairline, use the Edit mask inside the tool to control exactly where the effect appears. Paint the effect onto larger skin areas like the cheeks and forehead, and ease off around those crisp, detailed features. This targeted approach maintains sparkle in the eyes and preserves the natural edge detail that makes a portrait feel alive while still delivering even, refined skin. The beauty of this workflow is how quickly it brings a portrait together. You're letting the AI do the heavy lifting while you guide the final look with a couple of simple adjustments. If the result feels a bit strong after a moment's review, just pull back the amount slider slightly until it lands in that sweet spot between polished and natural. And that's it. By using AI Skin Enhancer with Skin Defects Removal and a touch of masking where needed, you'll achieve a clean, realistic finish in minutes, perfect for professional headshots or casual portraits alike.